Hi, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a community post on YouTube using your mobile phone. So before I start with this video, please subscribe, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube app, and from there you want to click on the bottom right on you, and then on the top right click on view channel, and then on the community, and then just click on share an image or caption contents. Then you can type in whatever, so let's type in how's everyone doing. Then you can make it public, private, schedule it or set it to expire, and then click on post. Then you wait a few seconds, you see a post created, and now everybody can comment on that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.